Good morning, students. Today we will do the poem. We will learn the poem Rain on the Roof. It is written by Gord Skinny. The poet was born in New York and he was a lawyer, politician, journalist and poet from the United States. Just imagine a person who is a lawyer, politician and even a journalist. So he has a deep sense for nature, deep love for nature. This poem expresses the wonders of nature. Actually, the rain itself is a wonder, natural wonder. It brings joy, peace, and soothes the heart of everyone, even farmers, we people. It heals mind, body and soul. क्या काम करती है बारिश? Heals body, mind, soul. So this poem is all about rain. Every one of us loves to enjoy the rain. Actually, it soothes our heart. हमें बड़ी अच्छी लगती है दिल से. When we are drenched in rain water, it gives a sort of joy. It brings happiness from the heart. It soothes the earth. And when it showers her droplets, मतलब ये नेचर हमारी अपने जॉय को ड्रॉपलेट्स के फॉर्म में शावर करती है. इट स्प्रेड्स हैप्पीनेस ऑल ओवर. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? मीन्स इट इज द सोर्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस फॉर एवरीवन. इट soothes the earth with her shower of blessings. When it rains, it is called shower of blessings. Have you understood? When it rains, it is called shower of blessings. So it brings happiness to everyone. It brings happiness for farmer, for we people, for everyone, because if it rains properly, it brings peace, happiness for everyone, and therefore this poem is all about the blessings of rain, blessings of nature, how the nature has bestowed us with her shower of blessings in the form of rain. So when it is for you that how much important the rain for us, it is very important for everyone. When the sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts raining, have you ever listened to the patter of the soft rain on the roof? जब बारिश होना शुरू होती है, when the dark clouds hover over us, over the sky, चारों तरफ हमारे काले बादल छा जाते हैं. Have you ever noticed, have you felt the joy of the raindrops that are falling on the roof? पिटर पैटर, इसीलिए उसको पैटर साउंड कहा गया है कि उसके गिरने की आवाज़ भी पैटर कहलाती है. एंड दैट इज द ओनोमेटोपिया. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड नाउ कि बारिश की बूंदों की गिरने की आवाज़ पिट पैट आती है, पिटर पिटर. देयरफॉर इट इज कॉल्ड ओनोमेटोपिया. फाइन. सो इफ यू हैव एंजॉयड द साउंड, what thoughts flashed through your mind as you heard this melody of nature? Therefore, the poet calls it the melody of nature. क्या कहता है वो इसको? Melody of nature. A music of nature, a music that the nature has given us, provided us, and there is a melody in it. So in this poem we are going to see, we are going to read the joys of nature that the poet Korskyny has successfully depicted. कितनी छोटी सी बात बारिश की, लेकिन कितनी बड़ी बात जो हमारे दिल को अच्छी लगती है. It brings joy, happiness to everyone. It soothes our mind, body and soul. It brings peace for everyone. So, through this poem, the poet has brought before us the